A staggering 70% of buildings worldwide are suffering from cracks, a statistic that might just shake your foundations. It's a startling truth that these silent fissures are everywhere, potentially endangering lives and racking up substantial costs in repairs and maintenance. The cracks you ignore today could become the catastrophic failures of tomorrow, but before you start panicking, it's important to know that there are effective solutions available. Before we dive into the solutions, you need to understand the causes of these cracks. The integrity of building can be compromised by a variety of factors. One of the key culprits is poor construction techniques. When corners are cut during the construction process, it can lead to structural weaknesses that manifest as cracks. Just a quick interruption here. If you're appreciating the content so far, please make sure to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel. We'll continue onward after a minute. Now to continue, another major contributor is the use of substandard materials. If the concrete mix, for example, isn't up to the mark or the steel used isn't of the right quality, it can result in cracks over time. Lastly, we cannot overlook environmental factors. Elements like excessive heat, heavy rains, and even ground movement can cause cracks. A building is subjected to these elements round the clock, and if not designed to withstand them, it will inevitably show signs of damage. Now that you know what causes these cracks, it's time to discover how to fix them. But first, remember to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel for more engineering solutions. The first step in fixing cracks is to assess the severity and type of crack. This crucial step is akin to a doctor diagnosing a patient. Just as a doctor won't prescribe treatment before identifying the disease, one shouldn't start repairing a crack without understanding its nature. Here's how you can do it. Start with a visual inspection at the crack's width, length, and depth. Is it hairline, meaning less than 1 millimeter wide, or is it wider? Is it superficial, only affecting the surface, or does it extend deep into the structure? Before we move forward, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for The-ManIkes channel and keep yourself updated with our informative content. Now, these observations can give you a rough idea of the severity. Next, try to determine the type of crack. Is it a shrinkage crack, typically straight and occurring due to concrete's natural tendency to shrink as it dries? Or is it a structural crack, which might appear zigzag or diagonal, indicative of a deeper issue with building's foundation or load-bearing structures? Once you've determined the severity and type, you can start considering solutions. For minor shrinkage cracks, you might just need a simple sealant or filler. These are easily available at local hardware stores and can be with minimal tools, but remember, these are just initial steps. If the crack seems severe or if it's a structural crack, more serious measures might be needed. These solutions might seem simple, but they can make a significant difference. Stay tuned for more advanced solutions. For more severe cracks, a more comprehensive approach is required. Firstly, let's talk about professional interventions. It might seem daunting to call in the experts, but sometimes it's the safest and most effective way to address significant structural issues. Engineers and specialists can perform thorough assessments, identify the root cause of the cracks, and develop a customized repair strategy. As we approach the 2-minute mark in our discussion, here's a gentle reminder to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel for more useful engineering solutions. Moving on, we delve into advanced materials. In the world of civil engineering, innovation is constant, and there are some cutting-edge solutions available. One such material is fiber-reinforced polymers, or FRPs, which are incredibly strong yet lightweight. They can be used as external reinforcement to increase the load-bearing capacity of a structure and prevent further cracking. Another advanced material is shape memory alloy, a unique substance that can remember its original undeformed shape even after significant strain. When heated, it reverts back to its initial form, effectively healing cracks. This material is especially useful in areas prone to seismic activity. Lastly, let's not forget the role of sealants and coatings. These products can fill small cracks and provide a protective layer against moisture, which is often a primary cause of cracking. While these methods require more effort and resources, they can save a building from extensive damage. And don't forget to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel for more engineering solutions. Cracks in buildings are a pervasive problem, but they aren't invincible. We've traversed the landscape of this issue together, understanding the problem in depth and exploring practical step-by-step remedies. Remember, the importance lies not only in identifying the cracks, but also in applying the right solution. Knowledge is our greatest tool in this endeavor. With the right knowledge and resources, we can tackle this problem head-on. Keep learning, keep innovating. Now, we'd like to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to The-ManIkes channel, your ultimate resource for tackling building maintenance issues. Hit that subscribe button to not miss out on any of our future updates and stay ahead of the curve. So let's continue on our journey. With the right tools and information, we can face this problem head-on. Keep learning, keep innovating, and thank you for subscribing to The-ManIkes channel.